we've got a chewed hole, which I haven't seen before. Maggie, come here. I've spotted another one. Come on. This side. Oh, that's not a hole yet. Nothing's been dug out. But that one was, something had chewed that out. This one. Sniffy. There was a glass in here last year. There might be another hole over there. Maggie, this way. Maggie, come on. Let's see what that is. Got a path through there. What have we got here? Another hole all the way through. Come on, go this way, Maggie. Maggie, we'll get back on the path. 3 flowers. And they both go the same way. Isn't it good? Right, well, yeah, just spotted a hole in the tree. No, nothing else.